everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster tutorials. Today we're going through how to process allowance payment. Let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster program, as you can see on the screen. Now before we start processing allowances, you just need to make sure you already got that allowances set up in your Wagemaster. So how to check that? You click on setup, then you scroll down to allowances. In this screen you will see all the allowances that you are actively available to use in your payroll. So in my case, I got heaps of allowances. These are really outdated and not updated because it's a test file or test environment. So I'm gonna select the pay period ending for 14th January in this example. Then I'm gonna click on wages. I will pull up one of my test employee. So I'm gonna quickly enter some timesheet hours for this employee. So we will have some dummy data available to whole week. Then I will quickly change this to 16, some different hours. So the total hours will be 31. So if you go into next, and this is the screen that we're gonna add allowances. It's called adjustment dash allowances, or the adjustment screen. So now if you want to add any allowances, just click on allowances and click on add option here. Then you can select the description. So if you select this underscore option, you can see all the allowances same as in the allowances option in your payroll file. If you don't have the allowances here that which you need to use for this instance, then you just need to close this window, go back to setup allowances, add the new allowances in there, then it will be available for you to use in here. So in my case, I'm going to use the rent allowances option. Now this allowance is set up as a unit allowance. That's why it's 1 unit for $100 per unit, and it's a deduction. So if I click OK, that will be deduction. I go into next. So, and the pay slip looks like, okay, so the what's the base pay rate, hours, amount, and the deduction, it will be under deduction for the rate. So it comes after tax and the net amount. So allowances can be either deduction or addition, depending on what type of the allowances it is. For example, if you're paying for meal allowances, it will be an addition, and if the employee renting one of the farmhouse or something like that, then you deduct the rent from the salary, it will be a deduction rate. So once you go through each and every line on the pay slip, if you make sure it is correct there before you save it. Alrighty, thank you for watching, everyone. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultant training session with one of our consultant. All links are available in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this a video like if you enjoy it. Have a great day.